Hello, welcome to today's movie. In today's movie we're going to look at fitting a regression line to some data and measure the fit, and this time we're going to be using SPSS. In a previous movie we used Excel. So if I just go to the Excel solution, there's the Excel solution that we looked at in a previous movie. So we had X, which was UK employment level for age 16 and over as a percentage, and Y were the UK visits abroad in thousands for all ages. And we looked at how we could actually use a scatter plot method in Excel to plot the data and to fit the trend line, and also to state the equation and the coefficient of determination R squared, etc. We also looked at the Excel function method. Secondly, we looked at the data analysis method in Excel, but what we want to do now is we want to look at the use of SPSS. So if I go to the data, I've already set up the data, as you can see there. So what we want to do now is we want to analyze the data, we want to fit a regression model, and we want linear. Okay, and then after a few seconds, so if I just drag these back across, oops, 1 second, sorry, apologies. Okay, so we want the independent variable is the employment level, which is X, and the visits abroad is Y. So that's the dependent variable. Okay, now SPSS can provide a range of statistics, etc., and plots. So if I just click on statistics, okay, we can ask for estimates, we can ask for confidence intervals, we can ask for model fit, we can ask for R squared, we can ask for descriptives, and we can do other things as well. So we'll just leave it at that for the time being. Click continue. Now if I click on plots, then I can ask for a series of plots, including a normal probability plot and other plots, etc. For example, the dependent, we could ask for the dependent variable Y, and we could ask for the residual plot X, etc. Click OK. Right, and the output will appear in the SPSS output file, which you can then save separately. But notice here, if you look here, look, you will see that the Pearson correlation coefficient is 0.808. So if you go to Excel, and let's go to the first one. There's, look, 0.808, exactly the same solution. Okay, and if you scroll down the list, etc., so there we are. So there's R, Pearson's correlation coefficient R, 0.808. There's R squared, which is a coefficient of determination, 0.653. There's the standard error of the estimate, which is 260.56. And then you've got other statistics, because what you might want to do is you might want to model the effectiveness of the model on the value of Y, etc. And down below you can see there's the coefficient. So there's the constant coefficient, minus 50324.716, and that's the slope value, 947.425. So if I just screenshot, and then you've got other statistics that you can use. There's the confidence intervals, etc. They're the T statistics, and this is all explained in Want to Learn More part of the book website. So if I just screenshot this little bit here, just to show that it's exactly the same, and I'll go to Excel solution and then paste it in there. Okay, so there we are. Okay, and then just drag that up. So you can see there, look, minus 50324.7 and 947.425. So you get exactly the same solution in SPSS as you do in Excel. Now please note with the SPSS solution, if I go back to that, give me 1 second please. If I go back to that, you also get other things, like you get normal probability plots, etc., just like you do, say, in Excel. So if you go to Excel, go to data analysis, and remember, you get these plots, etc. Okay, and this normal probability plot, you can see it's virtually linear, which tells us that the residuals are normally distributed, And if you go to SPSS, there's basically the same graph there. So you can see it's linear. Okay? And you've got some residual plots there. There's a residual plot, which is the same as the residual plot there. And you can see that the values are basically oscillating around the x equal to 0 axes. Okay, so you've got Excel solution, you've got the SPSS solution, and you get the same values. Okay, so that's the end today. Bye for now.